Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a Camaro? This might be it. This is the 2018, the Chevrolet Camaro. Stock number is 7268A. Let's show you this Camaro up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Boy, I could see myself driving in this Camaro. It's absolutely gorgeous. No dings, no dents, no scrapes. Flawless exterior. Has just over 20,000 miles. This Camaro's had a 150-point vehicle inspection, has a clean Carfax history report, and a Carfax one owner. This is the 6-speed manual, of course. I think I'm going to go take this for a test drive. Look at the ample legroom for friends or family that want to go on a sporty, fun drive. Fully loaded, low miles. I think I'm ready to go for a drive in this car. For more information, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. I'll go drive it with you. We'd love to hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around of this gorgeous Camaro. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.